May 16, 2018 7:18 p.m. Last updated, May 16, 2018 7:24 p.m. Lightning hit a house in Daytona Beach, Florida, on May 15, causing a giant burst of light that was caught on camera. Witnesses heard a loud crack, and almost the entire block lost their internet, cable television, and phone connections. A neighbor said it sounded like a transformer was hit. Fortunately, no one was inside the home when the incident took place. The house's electrical wiring was damaged, but nothing caught fire. This rarely seen footage was caught by the neighbor's surveillance camera, which was just installed 2 weeks prior to the event. Share tweet, share email.